Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I'm making Gola Kebab with gravy. Soft tender chicken Gola Kebabs, cooked in a flavorful spicy gravy, juicy from inside and rich in taste. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 250 grams of chicken keema. Gola Kebab means round shaped kebabs. 3 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon green chili, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala, chopped coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well. Keema absorbs spices faster than whole meat. Mix keema thoroughly for soft texture. Shape into Gola Kebab. Fry in medium heated oil. Frying first keeps kebabs tender inside. Do not over fry the kebabs. Fry until golden brown. Remove and keep aside. Now add the remaining oil in another pan. Add 3 cardamom, half teaspoon cumin, 5 peppercorn, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves. Add 1/4 cup onion. Two green chilies. And 1 teaspoon ginger garlic. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon garam masala. Whole spices enhance gravy aroma. Add 1 tomato puree and cook for 2 minutes. Add the fried Gola kebabs. Two tablespoon beaten curd. Add curd after lowering flame to avoid curdling. Two tablespoon water. Cook for another 2 minutes. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Chicken provides protein for strength. Spices help digestion. Homemade gravies use less oil. Best enjoyed fresh and warm. Serve hot. Your Gola gravy kebab is tender, spicy and full of flavor. Serve with roti, naan or rice. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Foods for more delicious chicken recipes.